Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we're cooking fish maw with seafood soup. This is the first time I'm using this La Gourmet clay pot. Now the good thing about this is that it uses a Maifan stone, which actually increases the alkaline level of the food that you're cooking inside there, which is very beneficial for your body. I was also told that you do not need to season this or soak this in water or have to boil in water first when you use this. You can just use it straight. I have inside this pot 1.5 liter of chicken stock. So we wait for this to boil before we add in the rest of the ingredients. Once the stock starts to boil, we'll add in the fish maw. This is 25 grams of fish maw. 25 grams when it's not hydrated. Put them in. 1.5 pieces of sea cucumber, which I've cut into small pieces like this. If you bought those dried sea cucumber, you don't need to soak them inside water without touching any oil, otherwise it won't expand. You need to soak them for at least 2 days or so. Put them inside the fridge and frequently you need to change the water. But I bought the fresh one from market, so I can just put it inside here and then just cook them for 10 minutes. As well as 200 grams of crab meat. This is fresh crab meat which I've actually deshelled and take out the flesh ourselves, but you can get the frozen one. Now fish maw is very hard and crispy actually when it's dried. So some recipes suggested they actually boil them. I don't like to do it. What I did was I actually added in hot water into the dried fish maw and just let them fluff up on its own for approximately half an hour or so. We'll add in now 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Now be very careful, if you are getting those instant chicken stock which is very salty one, then I think you have to forego the oyster sauce. But for mine, it's just nice, so I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. So wait for this to boil before we add in the last ingredient, which will be the prawns. Once the soup is boiling, we are putting the prawns. I have with me over here 175 grams of prawn, deveined, deshelled and cut into pieces like this. We just put them in, give them a good stir. In the meantime, prepare some potato starch. We're going to thicken up the soup. Thicken up the soup to the consistency that you want. While waiting for this to boil again, we will get 2 eggs and beat them up. Slowly pour the egg in and stir. This is very easy to prepare and very fast to prepare. I think I took less than 10-15 minutes. Excellent for Chinese New Year, and look at how beautiful this dish is. Now it's done, it's time to serve this. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our fish maw soup with seafood. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. 恭喜发财 and Happy New Year!